Urgent tone. On April 3, 2026, an American pilot was shot down deep within hostile Iranian territory. Injured and evading capture in the rugged mountains, he had to keep his rescue beacon entirely switched off to avoid alerting local forces. Yet somehow, the United States located and rescued him within 40 hours. Shortly after, headlines erupted with a claim that the CIA had allegedly deployed a device called Ghost Murmur to detect the magnetic field of the pilot's heartbeat from 60 kilometers away. This operation relies on an emerging field called quantum magnetometry, which uses microscopic defects inside synthetic diamonds to sense magnetic fields. The question is whether this story represents an actual leap in military surveillance or a carefully calculated media fabrication. To understand how a diamond can act as a sensor, we have to look at its atomic structure. A pure diamond is a perfect, uninterrupted grid of carbon atoms. But if you swap one carbon for a nitrogen atom and completely remove a neighboring carbon, you create a tiny flaw known as a Nitrogen-Vacancy, or NV center. This empty space acts as a trap for two unpaired electrons. These electrons have an intrinsic quantum property called spin, which effectively turns them into microscopic bar magnets that react to outside forces. When you expose these tiny magnets to an external magnetic field, their internal energy levels actually separate. Physicists call this reaction Zeeman Splitting. We can measure the precise strength of that outside magnetic field by firing light at the diamond. As the external magnetic force fluctuates, the gap between those split energy levels shifts, changing the exact microwave wavelengths the diamond absorbs. Because this quantum measurement works entirely at room temperature, without the need of massive, super-cooled lab equipment, these diamonds seem like highly practical tools. Theoretically, they are perfect for picking up the strongest magnetic pulse produced by the human body, the heart. When your heart muscles fire, they do so in a coordinated electrical wave. If you place a sensor directly against the chest, you can read that magnetic field at about 50 picoteslas. But magnetic fields are strictly bound by the inverse cube law. As distance increases, the signal drops exponentially. This chart plots that decay. At 60 kilometers, the magnetic field plummets to 10 to the negative 30th teslas. The most sensitive lab equipment on Earth, superconducting sensors inside specialized shielded rooms, can only reach 10 to the negative 15th teslas. Detecting that heartbeat would require a system 15 orders of magnitude more sensitive than our best scientific instruments. And even if a perfectly sensitive sensor existed, that microscopic signal would be immediately drowned out by the Earth's overwhelming magnetic noise, the heartbeat of every surrounding animal, and interference from the drone itself. The fundamental laws of physics make a 60-kilometer heartbeat detection mathematically impossible, which suggests the Ghost Murmur narrative was leaked to serve a completely different purpose. To understand why a military agency would plant a scientifically flawed news story, we can look at a classic deception campaign from World War II. When British pilots suddenly began intercepting German bombers in pitch-black conditions, officials started a rumor in the press that the Royal Air Force fed their pilots a diet heavily rich in carrots to vastly improve their night vision. The carrots did nothing. It was a biologically plausible lie, engineered specifically to keep the Germans from discovering that the British had successfully shrunk down and equipped their planes with airborne radar. The Ghost Murmur story functions exactly the same way. It uses real, plausible quantum mechanics as a flashy distraction to pull attention away from what the military is actually building with diamond magnetometers. Today, modern militaries share a critical vulnerability: traditional satellite GPS. These orbital signals are weak by the time they reach the surface, making them highly susceptible to enemy spoofing and electronic jamming. But the Earth's crust generates its own permanent, highly complex magnetic field. The variations in local rock and mineral deposits create a static map of anomalies across the entire globe that is completely unalterable. Because nitrogen-vacancy diamonds operate at room temperature, they can be mounted on vehicles to continuously read these subtle magnetic variations in the ground below. An aircraft can match those readings to an internal database and continuously deduce its exact location without ever pinging a satellite. This provides forces with a self-contained, unhackable navigation system that ignores electronic jamming and operates completely free of space infrastructure. Fact-checking the sensational claims about long-range heartbeat tracking clears the smoke from the media cycle. Behind the cover story, quantum sensors are actively securing the military's most vital navigation networks.